There must be lights burning brighter somewhere.
And here is the continuation
In the
of Sir
house.
Brian's interview with our
Grabe.
idol, Jerome.
Lagyan niya.
Here,
Parang,
we'll get
grabe,
to
grabing
watch
tindig
and
ng
hear the
balahibo ko.
story
Hindi ko
behind the
makita,
songs
naka-jacket
If
ako
I Can
pero
Dream by Elvis
pinabutan
Presley
talaga ako.
and
Actually,
Harana
habang
by Parokya
narinig ko si
Ni
Jerome
Edgar.
na kumanta,
Let's tune
alam niyo
in
ba?
right here
During
on
Elvis
People's
Presley's
Choice.
important 1969 recording sessions, he was actually suffering from a severe case of laryngitis. His voice was strained, his vocal cords were inflamed, and he was under a great pressure to deliver song recordings during crucial period of his career.
Yan yung era ni Elvis talagang until now, hindi ko pa rin makuha ng maayos. Kasi, yun nga iba yung mga dinaanan niya Yung mga fatigue na dinaanan ng boses niya bago lumabas yung tunog na yan.
Tama.
Kasi yung special example, yung If I Can Dream niyang kanta, yung last song niyang kinanta sa Christmas special niya, grabe yung raspiness at huskiness doon ng boses niya. Pero ang galing ng control.
Tama.
Tapos ramdam na ramdam mo yung emotion. Tapos dumating yung Back in Memphis na album niya. Diyan din, alam ko kasabayan din po niyan is yung Suspicious Minds na kilala ng mga tao.
Yes.
Doon din, maririnig mo rin yung boses niya doon. Halos similar sa boses diyan. Tapos after nun, gumaling naman, narinig mo na yung malalim na kilalang boses ni Elvis ngayon. Ganun lang nag-evolve boses niya. Lalo pag If I Can Dream, pag kinakanta ko
Wow,
minsan yun.
look
Basta
at
yung
that.
intro pa lang.
Jerome really
There
studied
must be
Elvis Presley thoroughly, so it's no
lights
wonder he
burning
nailed the
brighter
voice completely.
somewhere.
And to Sir
Lalo pag
Brian,
ini-imitate
thank you
ko
for
lang yung
sharing your
husky. Pero
insights
yung-
about
yung
Elvis.
Pagkanta
Now,
ko
let's
kasi,
head
hindi ko
right
rin
back
talaga
to our
ma-explain sa
video.
tao. Paano ko, kasi kumbaga, every muscle coordination sa lalamunan ko, sa ngalangal ako, talagang pinaparamdam ko sa bawat area kung ano yung placement na ginagamit ko. Kaya nagagawa ko yung kind of sound na yun at nakaka-imitate din ako ng ibang singer. Kasi ganun yung technique na ginagawa ko.
I'm sure, Jerome, nakaabang na mga Jerome Mianatics sa'yo, di ba?
Jeromantics.
Jeromantics ba?
Yes, Jeromantics.
Kaya, sensya ka na.
Okay lang po,
Jeromantics.
okay lang.
Ngayon, Jeromantics na ako.
And right here, he was asked which Elvis Presley song Jerome wants to learn as well, what it is, and why. Let's listen to our star's answer, right here on People's Choice.
Yung talagang yung gusto ko ma-achieve na sound is yung If I Can Dream era niya. Yun, yung panahong medyo pagod yung boses niya. Kasi doon talaga lumalabas yung full power ni Elvis, yung pinaka-peak vocals niya.
Galing ha? Ako bibili pa ko sa batang to ha. Ito naman, Jerome, one of the most interesting things you do is sing OPM songs with an Elvis style. Gaya nung Harana.
And right here,
Bulagadis.
we're finally going to find out why Jerome sang Parokya Ni Edgar's Harana on Ipalaga. And of course, do you think Sir Brian would let him go without giving us a sample? Here it is.
Inano lang sa amin ni Derek Oreo. Hinirit sa akin, Jerome, kaya mo bang kumanta ng Elvis pero OPM?
Yan!
Ganon. Tapos sabi ko, kaya ko naman.
Sige nga, isang Harana nga dyan para mapakinggan natin si Jerome, di ba?
Uso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba to? Mukhang gwapo, naghanda raw sa pagkanta at nasisintonado sa kaba. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kahit tamis pa ng hangin. Sa iyong ngiti ako'y nababaliw, iliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maihan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang iyong puso ko
Sa munting haranang.
Wow, even in a cappella, you can hear how beautiful Jerome's voice is. It makes you just want to close your eyes and savor every note. Even Sir Brian was genuinely impressed by him. So, I hope you'll still be here with me next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe right here on People's Choice. Stay tuned for what's next, and bye for now, guys.